The Indian car giant Tata Motors has confirmed to bring an all-new 5-seater micro SUV for the Indian market. The SUV will be based on Tata's modular Alpha platform as the Altroz. The SUV was first shown at the 2020 Indian Auto Expo. Tata says that the SUV will be positioned under Nexon. Tata has a plan to bring this micro SUV by October 2021 at the expected price between Rs 5 to 8 lakhs ex-showroom. According to Tata, the SUV will come in the name of Punch in the Indian market. The SUV will be equipped with superlative features and an architecture that has proven its versatility in all forms. After coming to the market, the SUV will have to compete against Nissan Magnite, Renault Kiger, Mahindra KUV 100 NXT, Maruti Suzuki Ignis, and the upcoming Hyundai micro SUV Casper. Talking about the power, the Punch will come with 1.2-liter 3-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine that can able to produce 86 horsepower and 113 Nm of peak torque. According to the news, the SUV could also get the 1.2-liter 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine from the Altroz, which can generate 100 bhp of power. The engines will be mated to an optional 5-speed manual or 5-speed automatic transmission. In terms of dimension, the SUV has the length of 3840mm, width is 1822mm, height is 1635mm, and has the wheelbase of 2450mm. Talking about the exterior design, the SUV will get dual-tone exterior with sportier rugged look. Up front, it will get split LED projector headlights with sleek LED DRLs at the top, stylish black front grille with Tata badging at the center, wider black air inlets, plenty of black cladding, and updated front bumper with bumper-mounted fog lights housing. The side profile will get power-heated wall beams with indicated turn indicators, body-colored door handles, tinted glass, large wheel arcs with black cladding, and new set of crystal-cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile will receive new set of wrap-around LED tail lights, Tata badging at the center of the boot, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler-mounted emergency braking light, regular antenna on roof, rear fog lights, updated rear bumper with black cladding. The interior of the SUV is expected to be inspired by Tata Altroz and is updated with a number of updated features including airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dashboard setup with dash-mounted AC vents, decut electric power adjustable leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel with steering-mounted controls, front auto water switch, smart instrument cluster with multi-information display along with digital tachometer and analog speedometer, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, Harman Kardon premium sound system, remote trunk opener, auto climate control, wireless smartphone charger, push button start and stop, ambient lighting, remote keyless entry, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with rear armrest and cup holders, and bigger boot space. The SUV is expected to be updated with a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, hill assist control, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, electric stability control, lane keeping assist, seat belt and door hazard warning system, traffic sign recognition system, voice alerts, auto emergency braking, forward collision warning system, dual front airbags, tire pressure monitoring system, and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.